Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment sharing which one you choose. If you've ever jumped into your car, started driving, and then struggled with poor audio quality, dropped calls, or no Bluetooth at all, you're not alone. Older car stereos weren't built for today's phones, streaming apps, or hands-free calling, and that can turn every drive into a frustrating experience. The good news is that you don't need to replace your entire stereo to fix it. Today I'll be reviewing the best Bluetooth car kits that instantly upgrade your car with wireless music, crystal clear calls, and safer hands-free control. Starting at number 5, the Scosche BTFM9 FM Bluetooth transmitter car is designed to add Bluetooth functionality to vehicles without built-in wireless connectivity. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and broadcasts audio to your car stereo through an FM frequency, while also supporting hands-free calling with an integrated microphone. The unit includes a USB charging port to keep your phone powered on the go, easy-to-use onboard controls for music and calls, and wide FM compatibility for flexible tuning in different regions. What makes the Scosche BTFM9 stand out is its simplicity and reliability for drivers who want a quick, no-installation solution. It is ideal for older vehicles with no AUX or Bluetooth input, and works especially well for casual commuters who stream music or take calls occasionally. The audio quality is solid for an FM transmitter, and setup takes only minutes. While FM interference can occasionally affect sound clarity in crowded signal areas, it still offers excellent value for an affordable Bluetooth upgrade. At number 4, the JOYROOM 96W FM transmitter Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter brings a more powerful and modern approach to Bluetooth car connectivity. It features the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology for faster pairing, lower latency, and more stable connections, along with dual USB charging ports that deliver up to 96 watts of total output for fast-charging phones, tablets, and other devices. The transmitter supports high-quality audio streaming, hands-free calling, and includes a built-in LED display to show frequency and charging status. This JOYROOM model is perfect for drivers who want strong charging power alongside Bluetooth audio. It is especially well-suited for road trips or rideshare drivers who rely on multiple devices throughout the day. The sound quality is impressive for an FM transmitter, and call clarity is noticeably clean. Although the device is slightly larger than basic transmitters, the performance and charging capability make it well worth it. Moving to number 3, the JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.4 AUX car adapter 2026 upgrade is built for vehicles that already have an AUX input but lack Bluetooth. This compact adapter connects directly to your car's AUX port and pairs with your phone via Bluetooth 5.4, delivering stable audio transmission, low latency, and enhanced call clarity. It includes a built-in microphone, noise reduction technology, and a rechargeable battery designed to last for extended driving sessions. This adapter truly shines for drivers who want better sound quality than FM transmitters can offer. It delivers clearer music, stronger bass, and more consistent volume, making it ideal for music lovers and podcast listeners. It's also great for drivers who want a clean, cable-free look. While it does require occasional recharging, the improved audio performance makes it an excellent upgrade. At number 2, the UGREEN Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter offers premium build quality and reliable performance in a compact design. It supports Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity for smooth audio streaming and clear hands-free calls, and it plugs directly into your car's AUX port for superior sound quality. The adapter features advanced noise cancellation, low-latency audio transmission, and intuitive button controls for calls and playback. UGREEN is known for durability, and this adapter lives up to that reputation. It's best suited for drivers who want a dependable, high-quality Bluetooth solution with minimal setup and maximum sound clarity. Music sounds balanced and clean, and call quality remains stable even on highways. Although it lacks FM functionality for cars without AUX ports, it excels in vehicles that support AUX input. Taking the top spot at number 1, the Comsoon Bluetooth receiver stands out as one of the most reliable and widely loved Bluetooth car kits available. It connects through your car's AUX port and uses Bluetooth technology to stream music and manage hands-free calls with impressive clarity. The device features dual device pairing, long battery life, noise suppression technology, and simple controls that make everyday use effortless. What truly makes the Comsoon Bluetooth receiver the best choice is its balance of sound quality, ease of use, and battery endurance. It is perfect for daily commuters, long-distance drivers, and anyone who wants a hassle-free wireless experience without complicated installation. Calls sound clear, music remains consistent, and pairing is fast every time. While it doesn't support FM transmission, its AUX-based performance easily justifies its top ranking. That wraps up today's review of the best Bluetooth car kits that can completely transform your driving experience. If this video helped you choose the right option, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment below telling us which Bluetooth kit fits your car best. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next review.